Okay, so hello everyone. My today's topic is all about printing only the unique values from the list of dictionary. Actually, we can say. Okay, so the program is already I have written actually. Here you all can see there is one variable L equal to, and we have first of all square brackets indicates list, and it is nothing but list of dictionaries. So this is one, then comma, this means this is one element of list, and that element is in the form of dictionary actually. Second element, third element of list, fourth element of list, and likewise. And in that also, values are something one S0012, then again S001. See, you can see duplicates, then 5, then again we have S005, likewise S0009, and so on. And again here also we have 5 5 two times. Okay, so obviously our purpose is to display only the values, not the keys. That is first purpose. And second is the we have to print only unique values. So obviously we know one concept, that is nothing but the set in Python data structure. First of all, set, it has a two properties or features, we can say. It always display the answer in random order, that is the one. And second one, obviously automatically it will remove duplicates automatically. So we have here used comprehension method. That's why we are writing everything in one line actually. So the comprehension method is something like this. We start from here, this part. So whatever is there in the list, first element I am talking about, this part will be given to one variable, that is dic. Okay, then inside this for loop we have one more for loop, that is this one. So right now from L we have given this element in dictionary. So what this function will do, dic dot values, it will extract only value from the key and value both from this element. It will extract only values, and it will give this value to variable val, or you can say val. And once it is done, this value is given to the variable u underscore value, that is for unique values. And likewise, second element, same process, third element, same process, fourth element, same process, and so on. But before this round bracket, we have written one important thing, that is what? Set. So whatever is there in this variable, it will get converted into set first. So when we are extracting values, that is 1, then 2, then again 1. So 1 is already in this set. So obviously it is not going to take this one for sure. That's why the program is to only display unique values from the list of dictionaries. So this is just a simple 3-line program using the comprehension technique. So now let us check the output, what exactly we are getting. See here, we are getting 7, 1, 2, 9 and 5. That's it only. But in our program, you can see 1 is here also, here also. Then 5 is here also, here also. So we are not getting duplicates item. I will run again also. See, we are getting only unique, and that is also values, not the key, because of this values function. Because in dictionary we know keys function for keys, values for values, and items for key as well as value both. So this is how you can write a program to display unique values only. Okay, thank you everyone.